Come test drive this 2016 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.